The Bleacher Rentals Proven Process was developed so that each and every client receives the best customer service possible.
From initial contact until the bleacher leaves your site, we will be there for you.
When you request a quote from Bleacher Rentals, we take the time to individualize your quote. We choose the bleacher units that will actually arrive at your event. This allows you to not only choose the seats that you require, but it also allows you to see the sizes that will be coming on site and make sure that they are the right fit for your space and your needs.
About a week before your event, one of our team members will reach out to you to confirm the setup date. We know setting up an event is very stressful, so we do this to relieve any stress we possibly can.
Once the bleacher arrives on site, the driver may leave, but you will always have someone to contact. Myself or one of the lead drivers will come to you with any needs you may have.
The simplicity of our bleachers allows us to set up in under 10 minutes. We know that events have many moving parts, and setup times and vendors coming in can be very clustered. This allows us to come in and leave when it's convenient for you. About a week after your event, a Bleacher Rentals member will contact you for a post-event follow-up. This allows you to give us feedback and rebook your bleachers for the following year.
From beginning to end, you will be met with a friendly, knowledgeable sales rep who will ensure your seating needs are met.
And we look forward to booking your next event.
Thanks for choosing Bleacher Rentals.